guys, so I just got here in London. Well, I didn't just get here. I got in at like Thursday at 7, and that first night I kind of just literally slept because I was so used to the California time, and so yeah. And I kind of didn't really want to walk around with my luggage and stuff, so I just ended up staying in the hotel and watching Netflix. Today I was able to come into my apartment, so I'll give you guys like a little tour right now and to kind of just set up. I'm gonna go to the store so I could buy some things, like I need more hangers to hang up more clothes. I want to get some things for like the apartment. My roommate's not here yet. She should be coming in shortly, so I just wanted to do this tour before she comes. So when you walk in the door, you are faced with this. Let's start over here. Let me zoom out. Okay, that's as much as it zooms out. So I have like my little kitchen area, super cute, and then our closet. Hers is empty, but I started doing some of mine, but I need to get more hangers for that. They only provided with a little bit, so I literally did what I could do. And then the little like seating area, a little TV and refrigerator. I want to get like a little like, I don't know, like a table or something, because it's weird, there's only certain like outlets, so I have to charge my Apple Watch on the floor. So yeah, okay, so yeah, I want to get like something so we could put things right there, and then like something right there too, because that's where the other outlets are. It's like so weird, it's not by like any tables or chairs or anything, it's literally where there's nothing that can be standing right there. Anyways, this is the restroom and our shower, and then the toilet. I kind of started putting products up there, and then my straightener, I need to get like a towel and stuff. So yeah, and then you go upstairs, and then that's our beds. And we only got one like dresser type of thing, so I think I do want to get another one just so I could place my like photos and little cards and notes and stuff that my family gave, and just decorate it nicely. But I don't want to claim it because I don't want to be that person. I want my roommate, so I only put one, and then I'm like gonna tell my roommate she could have the two because I only really need it for my PJs. That's her bed. I claimed this bed. Of course, my bed is already a mess. I was laying down in it and stuff, and I decided to put my shoes down there. So yeah, really cute. I'm really excited. I had to put my picture of me and my boyfriend, and then my Burberry perfume that I had just bought. So I'm just gonna shower. I can't even really shower because I don't have like soap or anything, so I like stole the soap from the hotel that I was at. So I want to go again to the store, buy some soap, buy some more hangers, and see if I could, because I don't think they have like a place like Target or Walmart. So I'm just gonna look around and see maybe if I could buy like a little like cheap table and stuff like that. I'm gonna do my makeup right now though, at least a little bit, like some concealer and my eyebrows and stuff. Everybody flew in separately, and we are having a meeting later on, so I just wanted to get everything situated. I just didn't want my roommate to come in and walking into a mess, so I did clean it, and I'll let you guys know what I end up doing. Hey guys, it is October 1st. I've been in London for a month, give or take, mostly take, because yeah, I've been here for about a month. I would say 3 weeks. This is gonna be my 3rd week here, and so yeah. It is Tuesday. I don't know if I've already said this. It's Tuesday, October 1st. And right now I am gonna go, I finished with school and I'm gonna go work out at the school gym and then meet up with my roommate and then hopefully find a thrift store because it's been impossible to find a thrift store out here. So yeah, I'm gonna go get that done with and we will see how the rest of the day continues.
Looking cute.
I know,
with their
like
rain boots and their raincoats.
On our way to get some motherfucking hot Cheetos.
Hot Cheetos.
Hot Cheetos. And then we're gonna watch
Imported hot Cheetos.
some really expensive imported hot Cheetos. And then watch a Midsummer movie. Destination. Only place that has hot Cheetos. Earl's Court. Food and wine. Let's get it. Let's see what you got. Oh, baby. Hey guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a real quick intro of the day, I guess, because it's 11:23 and I have to go to school and I'm always showing up late to school. So I'm just gonna do like a quick little, I guess, outfit of the day. And so I'm gonna go to class after this. So I'm just gonna meet my roommate in class. And then after that, I think we are just gonna go to like this thrift store that we checked out. We've been trying to look for thrift stores, but they're so expensive out here. There's no like Goodwill or anything like that like they have in the States. So we found one that you pay by the kilo. So hopefully we have luck with that. It's right down the street from our school, so we're gonna check that out. And then probably just come back here and then chill. Every day is like a random thing. So I'm gonna just set you down on the table and show you what I'm wearing. I just took a shower in the morning, so my hair is wet. I'm gonna manually curl it with my hands. And then I'm wearing this thrifted sweater that I cut up. And yeah, it's super warm, so I'm just gonna wear this. And then some legging pants that I got from Zara. And then my Converse. We don't even have a mirror in here, so I kind of have to just play it by sight and knowledge of my own body. So I'm gonna go to school and then I will catch you guys up later and see how it goes at the thrift store and all that good stuff because I am gonna be late. Something like this for Paris.
It's about the same.
This is actually only $5, but I need a slip. The face of disappointment. those red pants? I like those better too. So these are fucking tiny. These will not fit me.
They're like a 24. Oh yeah, they are.
Pants. I actually like these. I like see how they go.
What do they do out here, dude? Bro, feel my heart. Feel my heart.
Next top, yeah.